I come to U-Wrench because you can rent a full shop, full bay, full auto shop at your disposal.
I'm an automotive technician. I've been working in shops for about 20 years. I started coming to U-Wrench after seeing an advertisement online. I didn't know that this place existed until then. It allows me to rent a lift that I don't have at home.
They got all the tools and everything you need. They're super helpful.
I found U-Wrench through recommendations with friends that really love the shop. Everyone here is super helpful, made sure I was going on the right way with a complicated job.
They have great technicians here with a lot of knowledge to be able to help you through whatever job you need to do.
Brandon and Fred have actually been very helpful and lending a hand and even giving me guidance when I'm stuck.
If you need that extra help or you just don't have the time to get it done, they can do it for you.
The membership literally paid for itself within a day, and I've been here for a week, so amazing discount with that. Really appreciate everyone that's here, and the car's put together because of them.
I come here on the weekends. They're open Saturday and Sunday, which is great because then I don't have to rush myself on the week after work trying to get my job done.
You can do it all yourself, so rather than pay a shop or a mechanic to do it, you can just come here, rent a bay, and do it yourself.